Hey there everyone, my name is Hira and welcome to this video. Now in this video, we are going to learn about generative AI. We are going to explore the incredible potential of AI to create text, images, music, and more. So let's learn and see how this fascinating technology is shaping our world. Generative AI is like a creative robot that can make new things, whether it is text, images, music, or even videos. Generative AI uses patterns and data to create unique content. So unlike traditional AI, which makes decisions based on pre-existing data, generative AI learns from input data and generates something new and amazing. So let's explore some of the coolest types of generative AI models out there. VAEs, or variational autoencoders, learn to compress data and then generate new data samples from this compressed version. It's like learning the recipe for a cake and then baking different flavors using the same basic recipe. Generative adversarial networks, or GANs. GANs are like two teams playing a game. One team creates something new, which is the generator, and the other team evaluates it. The generator tries to make the discriminator believe the new data is real, and through this game, the generator gets better at creating realistic data. Next, we have transformers. Transformers are superstars in natural language processing, or NLP. They understand the context of words in a sentence and generate coherent and meaningful text. So imagine having a conversation with a robot that truly understands and responds intelligently. Autoregressive models. These models predict the next point in a sequence, like guessing the next word in a sentence or the next note in a melody. They're great for creating sequential data such as text and music. Now let's explore large language models, also known as LLMs. Large language models are the giants of the AI world because they are capable of generating natural language text that sounds just like a human wrote it. They are trained on massive data sets and can do everything from answering questions to writing essays. Base LLMs are the foundational models with fewer parameters. They are efficient and used for simpler tasks like text prediction and sentiment analysis. Fine-tuned LLMs are like supercharged versions of base LLMs. They have been trained on specific tasks and refined to deliver top-notch performance. So whether it's translating languages or generating creative content, these models can do it all. Now let's check out some awesome tools and models which are making waves in the AI world right now. GPT-4 is a powerhouse language model developed by OpenAI. With 175 billion parameters, it can generate human-like text for a wide range of applications, including writing, coding, and even storytelling. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is based on the GPT structure, and it's your friendly AI companion. It can engage in dialogue, answer questions, and assist with various tasks. DALL-E. DALL-E can turn text descriptions into images. So imagine describing a scene, and this AI brings it to life with stunning visuals. From fantastical creatures to surreal landscapes, DALL-E can create it all. Midjourney. Midjourney AI transforms your imagination into dreamlike art. So if you are into fantasy, gothic, or sci-fi themes, this tool will generate mesmerizing artwork based on your descriptions. Now, are you ready for a fun challenge? Imagine you are an artist with a powerful AI assistant. Your task is to create a piece of AI-generated art based on a unique prompt you come up with. So let's make something amazing. Now my prompt is generate a fantasy landscape with towering crystal mountains, a flowing river of molten gold, and a sky filled with bioluminescent stars. So this is the output that I got after entering my prompt on DALL-E. Now I can also download this image, although this DALL-E feature comes with the paid version of ChatGPT, but you don't have to worry about it right now. For now, just focus on how prompts are formed and how we can get amazing results. So that's it for now. I'm going to see you in the next video. Keep learning and of course, keep practicing.